We will reach to the grassroots level this time.
The BJP MLA Meghalaya is concerned to find out many of the beneficiaries are not getting the benefits of various central schemes and programs in the past 9.5 years. BJP leader in charge Meghalaya, Chuba Aw, said that they have been interacting with the beneficiaries as part of the Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra mission. According to him, during the interaction with the people, they have found out that many did not get the benefits of the various schemes and programs. Aw said that they will need to find out the reasons why many of the beneficiaries are not getting the benefits.
So we have to interact with them, and some people didn't get.
And why they didn't get, and we do not know, but we have to find out why he didn't get, whether he was not eligible or something wrong. So it is our duty to go to the beneficiary and interact with them. That what scheme you got it, what are the schemes you have applied, and how you enjoy this scheme, all this kind of things we have to investigate and we have to give a report.
The NOCMA conference of